Hello friends, myself Dr. Vasanta Kahalkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Mahatma Gandhi Arts, Science and late NP Commerce College, Armori. In this video, we are talking about the sexual reproduction of Riccia. So the first majority of the species of Riccia are homothallic, that is the monoecious. It means the Antheridia and Archegonia are born upon the same thallus. The, the heterothallic, that is dioecious species, are also common. In such species, the Antheridia and Archegonia develop separately on different thalli. For example, Riccia himalayensis. The sex organs are produced in the groove situated on the dorsal surface of the mature gametophyte in acropetal succession. In homothallic species, the alternate groups of Antheridia and Archegonia are found at sufficient distance from the growing point. The Antheridia and Archegonia are found in groups separately in the median longitudinal grooves of different thalli. Both the Antheridia and Archegonia develop singly on the dorsal surface of the thallus. See first the structure of mature Antheridium. The mature Antheridium remain embedded in the antheridial chamber, which open by an ostiole on the dorsal side of the thallus. The mature Antheridium consists of a few celled stalk and the antheridial proper. The antheridial chamber may be rounded or somewhat pointed at its apical end. A sterile single layered jacket layer encircle the antheridium to protect it. The mature antheridium contains androcyte cells within the jacket layer. Each androcyte metamorphoses into an anthrozoids. So this is the structure of mature antheridium. Then the structure of mature archegonium. The archegonium is a flat-shaped body attached to the thallus by short stalk. It consists of an elongated neck and bulbous venter. The neck is 6 to 9 cells in height and consists of 6 vertical rows of the cell. The 6 vertical row of the cell enclose a neck canal. There are 4 cover cells at the top of the neck canal. Prior to maturity, the 4 neck canal cells are found within the neck canal cell, which disintegrated into mucilaginous mass on the maturation of the archegonium. The lower bulbous structure of the archegonium is venter. The venter encloses a venter canal cell and large egg. The venter canal cell disintegrated on the maturity of the archegonium, and only the large egg remains there. So this is the structure of mature archegonium. A fertilization. The water is essential for the fertilization. As soon as anthrozoids approaches the neck of the archegonium, they are attracted chemotactically by the mucilaginous substance oozing out through the mouth of the archegonium. The number of anthrozoids enter the venter of archegonium, but only one anthrozoid fuse with the egg cell. By the fusion of single anthrozoids with egg cell, zygote is formed. Then the sporophyte. After the fertilization, the zygote secretes a wall around it, enlarged in size, and nearly fills the cavity of the venter. The venter cells are stimulated by the process of fertilization. They divide periclinally, and the wall of venter becomes two-celled in thickness. Thereafter, the venter cell divide anticlinally, and ultimately a two-layered calyptra is formed inside. And some important characteristics of the sporophyte: it is a simple and made up of only capsule, or you can say the spore sac. Foot and seta are absent. It remains embedded in the gametophyte, and it is a non-green structure. Therefore, it depends depending entirely on the gametophyte for food. Inside the sporogonia are present many spore mother cells, which remain surrounded by a capsule wall and two-layered calyptra. Spore mother cells divide meiotically, and each of them thus form four haploid spores arranged tetrahedrally. And the most important character, the iliators are absent. So these are the characteristics of the sporophyte Riccia. Then the spores. The shape of the spore is rounded. Each spore is surrounded by thick wall. Wall of the spore consists of three layers: outermost exine, which is thick and sculptured; middle thin mesosporia; and innermost thin entire. The spores are unicellular and uninucleated structure. Uninucleated means the single nucleus present. The spores germinate into gametophyte. So these are the characters of the spore Riccia. Now here, complete the Riccia, sexual reproduction of Riccia. Thank you.